All right, we're looking at test number 1, practice problems, and this is question 28 from that practice problem set. Again, my numbers might look different than yours, but should be the same idea, same process to solve the problem. So we're going to find the equation of the line that passes through the point 0, 9 and is perpendicular to the line x minus y equals 1. All right, so I need the equation of a line is y equals mx plus b, where the y and the x are stay general variables because where the m and the b are defining the relationship between x and y. And m and b, we just need to find m and b. So b is the slope-intercept. So the whole equation is a slope-intercept. B is the y-intercept. So that is the point on the graph that crosses the y-axis. So that's the point where x is 0 and y is, we find out what y is when x equals 0. Well, we've been given that point, in fact. So this is the y-intercept. So that is the point of the y-intercept. So our b equals that y value of 9. All right, and then the other thing we need to find is the slope. The slope is perpendicular to x minus y equals 1 line. So the slope of so first I'm going to find the slope of the line that's perpendicular. So let's see, that's x minus y equals 1. I'm going to solve for y so I can get it in y equals mx plus b form. This is the perpendicular line. I'm going to put a box around this so I don't confuse it. This is the perpendicular line. Okay, so I'm going to put y on the other side. So I get y, 1 plus y equals x, and then subtract 1 from both sides. And I get y equals x minus 1. So from there, I'm going to get some more space here. Okay, I can see that I'm looking at y equals x minus 1. So my slope of the perpendicular line is the number right in front of the x. So that's like a invisible 1. And I don't even care about the y-intercept. I really just want to get that slope. That was the only reason to solve that, to rearrange that line. So if the perpendicular line is 1, then the m that is of interest to me for my line is the negative reciprocal of that. So 1 as a fraction is positive 1 over 1. So the negative reciprocal is a negative 1 over 1, which is really just negative 1. So now I know m equals negative 1. So I can write m equals negative 1. Now plugging in the b and the m into this equation of a line, I get y equals mx plus b. Plugging in m for a negative 1, or I can just write a negative since the coefficient of 1, I don't have to write the 1. And the b is 9. So there's my equation of a line, of this line. All right, now I'm going to go back to my problem. Click on it to highlight it, and then click on it again. Okay, so I got to scroll down to get my keyboard since I'm using a tablet and I don't actually have a keyboard. So I have y equals, and then I remember to see that. Notice that it already says the equation of the line is y equals. So I just start after the equals, which is negative x plus 9. And then click outside of the box so it's not highlighted anymore, and then click submit answer. And I'll get an immediate result because it's a practice test, so I want you to see the immediate result if it's right or wrong. And also you'll get the immediate access to the solution, So whether you get it right or wrong, you can review that solution and make sure you understand it.